40-gallon Bradley Whiteson, draining the water heater. It's an A.O. Smith from 2009. It's leaking from the bottom. Yeah, hold it. All right, here we go. I don't know why, but the hardest part of installing a water heater is getting these things to work, dude. I don't know why. I just feel like I spend so much time trying to mess around with these. All I gotta do is tighten them down. I just want them loose just in case I have to move this or something. Okay, so now we'll do the turd and pecker line. TNP, that's what it stands for, turd and pecker. So in California, the testicle and pecker line, TNP, daddy long leg, has to be 6 inches off the ground. We're on a little platform here. So let's see. So we want to do we'll do it from here. We'll just pop it out right here. Do it right here. Ah, yes. The sweet hiss of a gas control valve warming the water inside of a Bradley White Eco Defender. Alright, we're done. Well, I just gotta put a screw to hold this down. No leaks. These are all tight now. That's it.